Are you stuck trying to figure out what to get someone for Christmas and you don't want to just give them another boring gift card or worse, a Christmas sweater? Then this living gift might just blow your mind. And there's one reason why almost nobody talks about it, but that's what makes this gift the most unforgettable gift you can give. And I'll share it with you in just a minute. Hi everyone, I'm Connor Hebel, and we are on a mission to help you grow powerful, nutritious greens right at home, even if you've got no experience and no outdoor space. If you're in that space of not knowing what to get your friends and family, then go ahead and comment below the word help, because we all need help for some of our friends that we want to give them something really meaningful, but we have no idea what to do for that. So in this video, we'll dive right into that. And I will send you my favorite gift ideas when you type help in the comments below. And while you wait, keep watching, because I'll show you exactly why this specific gift that I'm gonna share stands out more than anything else you'll give this year. So what is the gift? The gift is microgreens, and more specifically, a microgreen kit. Why is that? Well, the first reason is it is a living gift. It's not just stuff. Most gifts just sit there on our shelves. Microgreens grow, they change, they add something alive to your space. It's a gift with energy that lasts longer than a candle or a chocolate bar or a pair of socks. And the second reason, it is perfect for healthy eaters or foodies. If you know someone who's always saying, I need to eat better, or I love fresh ingredients, or even better, they're a vegan and they want to have more fresh live produce, then boom, microgreens are packed with the nutrients and flavor perfect for your friends and family, and they grow right in your kitchen. And reason 3, anyone can grow them. You don't need a garden, you don't need a green thumb, and everything you need is within the kit, so it's so simple. Whether they live in a tiny apartment or a big house, microgreens grow on a shelf or a windowsill with minimal effort. And it's a great way to show that you care about your friends and family. What better way to give them a gift than to say, I prioritize your health and wellness, and I want to see you looking healthy and well in the next coming years. So if you're nodding your head right now, like, yes, this is exactly what I've been looking for, hit that like button. So I know I'm not the only one who's done generic gift cards. And hang tight, because that secret reason why microgreens are unforgettable, I'm about to spill it in just a moment. So reason 4, microgreens are eco-friendly. 98% of our single-use plastics are removed, and there's no waste. Just compostable packaging and something that gives back to the earth. That's the kind of gift people remember. And the carbon footprint is significantly less, as well as the waste, because whatever you're growing, you're gonna eat, right? Super simple, and you can always store it. We have a couple videos, which I'll link right here, on how to store your microgreens so that you can make sure that you get your microgreens and they last as long as possible. Reason 5, it sparks curiosity and connection. Most people have never tried growing their own food, especially not in winter. And microgreens are like giving someone a hobby, a science experience with a health boost in one. And for those gardeners in your life that love gardening, but in the winter they're not able to spend their time outdoors, this can be a great solution for them to be able to grow something right inside their house. In fact, I have a story of someone, it was her birthday, and she got all of her grandkids microgreen kits, and they all hopped on Zoom and planted their microgreens together. So this is a great gift that you can buy your whole family, and then you can all grow microgreens together, because it is such a fun experience. And by the end, you have something that you can eat and enjoy, and it creates that lasting, lifelong experience. And to be able to give that to your friends and your family is such a powerful and amazing gift. So if you love giving something meaningful, fun, and zero waste. By the way, I've put together a limited run of microgreen boxes for the holiday. Super easy to use, looks great as a gift, and it's only available for a short time. So if you're thinking this would be a perfect gift for any of the 5 people, or your friend, your mom, your teacher,
can check it out using the link below. It's
So here's the secret reason why microgreens make an incredible gift. Microgreens actually give a sense of wonder. It's not just about eating the greens, it's about watching something come to life. It's that tiny spark that makes people go, wait, I just grew that. That's the kind of joy that no socks, no sweaters, and no gift cards can give. And so here's the thing. Once you decide to give microgreens, the next question becomes, okay, which one do I choose? Because not all kits are created equal, and some are better for total beginners. So scroll down, click the link below, and grab the holiday gift box and starter kit while my deal is still live. I created an incredible deal for you all that is specifically for this holiday. This link is only for 200 kits. Once they all go, it is gone. So be sure to check it out. It is an incredible holiday gift that allows your family member to keep growing their microgreens year round. It is so amazing. So if you're wondering which microgreen kit is best, especially for the winter or for beginners, that's what I'll help you with over here next. So for the winter beginners, check out this video right here and I'll see you in our next video. As always, stay awesome.